up in the morning, feel the sun on your skin. Stretch and start moving, let the new day begin. Drink a little water, feed your soul with peace. Listen to your heartbeat, let your worries cease. Take care of your body, it's the only place to live. Love it every moment, it's the best gift you can give. Breathe in all the fresh air, run your fingers through your hair. Dance like no one's watching, show the world you care. Move with the rhythm, feel the beat inside. Every step a journey, in your body's pride. Rest when you are weary, laugh until you cry. Cherish every heartbeat underneath the sky. It's the only place to live. Love it every moment, it's the best gift you can give. Breathe in all the fresh air, run your fingers through your hair. Dance like no one's watching, show the world you care. Move with the rhythm, feel the beat inside. Every step a journey, in your body's pride. Rest when you are weary, laugh until you cry. Cherish every heartbeat underneath the sky. Move with the rhythm, feel the beat inside. Every step a journey, in your body's pride.
Footsteps echo, feel the
Rest when
fire.
you are weary,
City calls,
laugh
see the
until you
signs.
cry.
Hearts are
Cherish
racing in
every
the night.
heartbeat underneath
Taxi cabs and traffic lights, hungry dreams and sleepless nights. Laughter loud below the stars, we find freedom near and far. City lights, they guide our way, through the dark and through the gray. Magic moments here to stay, city lights, they never fade. Graffiti walls, they tell a tale of dreams and love without fail. Concrete jungle beats alive, pulsing rhythm through the time. City lights, they guide our way, through the dark and through the gray. Magic moments here to stay, city lights, they never fade. Graffiti walls, they tell a tale of dreams and love without fail. Concrete jungle beats a line, pulsing rhythm